Hi, my name is Kyle Garcia, and today I'm going to be demonstrating my digital circuit and the problem provided to us for week 1 for ECE2300L. So we're just going to take a look at the values here first. So we have our defined values, our Boolean variables. We have H is equal to our homework. 0 being it's not done, and 1 being that's done. T is equal to time, and 0 is before 10 p.m., where 1 is defined as after 10 p.m. W is our weekend, so this is going to determine whether if it's a weekend or not. 0 meaning it's not a weekend, 1 meaning it is a weekend. G is going to define whether we can play a game or not. 0 is that we don't play, and 1 is that we do play. So the prompt that we're provided is, provided that you've done all your homework, you can play video games either before 10 p.m. or weekends. So based on this expression here, we're able to derive, or not, sorry, expression, this sentence here, we're able to derive an expression where we're only play games if and only if our homework is done. So that's one of the more crucial parts. However, I shouldn't say if or only if, but if our homework is done and it's either a weekend or it's before 10 p.m. Hence why I nodded here, because 1 is defined as after 10 p.m. So the homework must be done, that's a given. And either it's a weekend or it's before 10 p.m. or both. So let's correct this here. Something appeared to happen there. That'll just have to do. Okay. So I'm going to demonstrate my truth table now. I actually created my truth table in Microsoft Excel. So here we have our truth table. So we have H, T, W, and G. How I actually made the truth table is, so I just had the values here, and then I used the formula above, which you can use logical expressions in Excel. I put the times one there is because if you don't have the times one there, it's going to give you a false or true. So if you add a 1 there and multiply it, it's going to return you a single digit value, either 0 or 1. So, and then I just went ahead and copied it down like that, and see that's how we get our truth table. Okay, so with that in mind, I'm going to split my screen, and we're going to test some values here. Okay. I don't know why it went up like that, but it must have happened during the recording somehow. But anyways, so when we have all values 0 here, we're going to have a value of 0 for our result. And we go into the next value here, we go 0, 0, 1, so we put a 1 there. And we notice that it's still 0, so it remains true to our truth table so far. Next values are going to be 0, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 0. It's still 0. And we're going to get to that in a moment. Next is 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. It's still 0. Next is 1, 0, 0. So recall that this was knotted. So when 0, it's actually 1 after this NOT gate. So this is telling us that homework is done and it's before 10 p.m. Hence why this is 1 here. You're able to play games. Next we have 1, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 1. So this, in this case right here, we would have the homework is done, it's before 10 p.m. and it's a weekend. So you're definitely going to be able to play games. Now we're going to change it up and go 1, 1, 0. So it is now after 10 p.m. and your homework is done, but because it's after 10 p.m. and it's a weekday, you're not able to play games. So now that we did 1, 1, 0, we're going to do the last one. We're going to do 1, 1, 1. So this is telling us that, sure, it's after 10 p.m., but our homework is done and it's the weekend. So you're able to play games. So from this, we can see that the truth table does hold. And also, I guess, by side effect, also shows us that we can also use Excel to create these truth tables if need be. The actual structure of the digital circuit, I suppose. So like I said, we have the time knotted because I defined 1 to be after 10 p.m. But if you do it the other way around, then you won't need to have that NOT gate there. But from my definitions, we need a NOT gate there. And that is going to go with the weekend into an OR gate. Why is it going to OR gate? Because you just need one of these conditions here to be true in order to be ANDed with the homework, which the homework is one of the most crucial points. Like, it doesn't matter if it's before 10 p.m. or if it's a weekend. If you haven't completed your homework, you're not going to be able to play games. Hence, if I put 0 there, alter it all around, it won't make a difference. And that's going to conclude my demonstration. Thank you, and have a good rest of your day.